last video, a lot of people actually requested I make a video step-by-step guide on how they can actually apply for contracts on all these web novel sites. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking GoodNovel as an example. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually apply for contracts on GoodNovel step by step. If you are coming across this particular channel for the very first time, welcome to Financial Hustle TV. What we do here is talk on how you can actually make real money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that's of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. What are you waiting for? Now let's dive in into today's video. So for those that are just coming across this particular channel, so before you can actually apply on GoodNovel site is a platform where you write a story, then you get a contract, you get paid when you get a contract. Now to apply on GoodNovel, go to your Chrome browser and type in GoodNovel Writers Benefit. GoodNovel Writers Benefit. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. Click on the icon at the top corner. It's going to show this particular page. Now let me give you one tip. The genre you are supposed to write and you are expected to write if you want to get high chance of getting contracts is romance. The second one is werewolf story. Then the third one is mafia story. Now you can combine these three genres together to write a fantastic story. One more tip is that you have a fantastic and interesting plot twist. Yeah, it is very, very important. So to apply for a contract, scroll down. You're going to see create. Click on create and this particular page is going to pop up. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to upload your book cover. You click on the plus sign on that same spot, then you upload your book cover. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to input your book title. Your book title is important. You already have your book title in mind, so you're inputting it. Then the language, you pick English if your story is in English. So your target audience, female or male, it depends on the type of story you are writing. And then your main audience, I usually pick 16 plus. Yeah, because 50 plus upward can actually read my story. So yeah. So the next thing you're going to be picking is novel type, original. Of course, you have to pick original. And then the genre, it depends on the type of story that you write. Romance, werewolf, mafia. So based on what I want to upload there is werewolf. Then you click it, let it save automatically. Then you click on tag, the style. You can see dark romance. Just pick something that is relates to your story. Don't just pick something that I'm picking. I'm only using this as an illustration, as an example. You get now the character, the settings, and you click OK to save what you've picked. So you click on OK to save it up. If you want to cancel one of the stuff you've picked, you can always click on cancel over there, and that is that for that. So as you can see, participate. I'm not participating in anything, and I don't know if you are participating, you can click on it. But if you are not, you head over to synopsis and upload your blog or synopsis. It's still the same thing. Now I'm going to head over to my Google Doc to copy what I have written and paste it here. So once you paste and then you click on complete to save what you've uploaded. Now you click on next since you're not participating in any contest. The next thing now you're going to go over to your Google Doc. If the next thing you're going to upload chapter 1. So what I usually do is write my chapter on Google Doc, then you copy and paste whenever I want to apply for contracts. But you can do the other way around. Maybe that's what you want. You can write on that particular site, then you just apply for contracts when it reaches certain required word count. So you keep on doing the same thing, copy and pasting until you reach 5,000 words. Before you can apply for contract on GoodNovel, you need 5,000 word, minimum of 5,000 words. So I've already uploaded all the 5,000 word. I don't want the video to be so long, that's why I wasn't showing the full process. So just follow the first step that I showed you guys. So that's how you're going to do it. So now you can click on save if you know you will still want to do some editing on your work before you click on publish. And mind you, before you click on publish, make sure you preview your work. You're going to see the spacing in your work. You're going to see if you made some mistake, and just cross check it before you click on publish. Now when you click on publish, that is when you're going to see how many word counts that you have. If you don't click on publish, you're not going to see it. Okay, now after clicking on publish and you already have your 5,000 word, now you head over to this particular space. You apply for contracts. So the next thing you're going to be doing now is to click on apply contracts. You click OK. You can actually scroll down to check out the stuff, and then you click OK. So this page is going to pop up. You're going to input your real name, your pen name. You get now you input your synopsis. Synopsis and blurb is the same thing. Okay, you input it, and then your outline. You input your outline. Oh my goodness, did I input my outline like this? Oh god. Honestly, I didn't input my outline, and I've already submitted the application. Oh, I'm sure I'm not going. I don't know. I don't even know the results. Ah, oh no, I made a mistake. Like, yeah, outline is very, very important. Guys, don't make this kind of mistake. I was just carried away in like screen recording. I'm just looking as I've forgotten I'm really applying for contracts real life. There's nothing I can do again because I already submitted, and maybe they will reject it, or maybe they will request I should upload my outline. I hope they actually ask me to upload my outline, or otherwise I'll upload it on my other account. Alright, guys, don't make the same mistake that I made. It's like, oh my god, it's so I can't even believe I did this kind of mistake. So you can decide to add your account details. You can use PayPal, Pioneer, or bank accounts. You can use your gig pay too. So that's that for that. But if you're going to be, I use Pioneer on GoodNovel. You can use Pioneer. So yeah, and that's that. It's easy for you to create Pioneer account. If you don't know how to create a Pioneer account, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a tutorial on that. Alright, guys, see you in my next video, and do take care of yourself. Do not make this kind of mistake I make. Outline is very, very crucial in your application. Bye.